Jakob Seisenegger was born 1505, died 1567. He was an Austrian portrait painter who was the court painter of Ferdinand I, Holy Roman Emperor, and also painted Ferdinand's brother Charles V. Most of his portraits are of the Austrian Habsburg family and their allies, including several of children. He won international fame for his use of full-length poses in his portraits, creating a model used by future artists, such as François Clouet. His portrait Emperor Charles V with Hound is now in the Kunsthistorisches Museum Vienna.